Hello there, I'm Dr. Ace, and today we're diving deep into the cutting edge strategies that are flipping the script on type 2 diabetes. Forget the endless cycle of medications and discover how you can beat diabetes through a simple and easy protocol that you can follow from the comfort of your home. If you are dedicated, the secret to reverse diabetes once and for all could be on your plate. Now, diabetes doesn't have to be a life sentence. Type 2 diabetes, which is the most common and develops due to consuming too much sugar and making poor lifestyle choices, will be the focus of this video. This is where the real opportunity for reversal lies. Imagine reducing your fasting blood glucose, slashing your hemoglobin, A1C, and boosting your body's natural insulin sensitivity, all without popping a single pill. This is not just a dream, it's the reality for thousands who have turned their health around by following this protocol. Let's start with intermittent fasting. So what is the science behind intermittent fasting? Well, when you consume food, your body either burns it for energy or stores it. There are two primary ways that your body can store this energy. It could be glycogen for short-term storage and body fat for long-term storage. Insulin here plays a crucial role. It signals your body that nutrients are available, so it's time to store and not burn these nutrients. High insulin levels prevents your body from accessing stored fat for energy. When you fast, your body undergoes a significant transformation. Initially, it burns through the glucose stored in the liver, which typically lasts 12 to 16 hours. After this, something remarkable happens. Your body starts converting fat into energy, a process known as ketosis. This shift not only helps in weight reduction, but also significantly lowers insulin levels, enhancing insulin sensitivity. In this way, fasting effectively lowers insulin levels, allowing your body to burn accumulated fat and glucose. The concept here is beautifully simple and rooted in our biology, reflected in the very term breakfast, signaling a period of eating followed by fasting. This concept isn't new either. Dr. William Osler, the father of internal medicine, as early as in 1923, in his textbook Principles and Practice of Medicine, recommended carbohydrate restriction for treating diabetes, which is akin to modern ketogenic diets. This historical practice highlights a forgotten truth. Simple dietary interventions can potentially reverse diseases that modern medicine often treats with extensive medication. And even today, science is clear. Recent trials have shown that significant remission rates in type 2 diabetes happens in patients who adopt intermittent fasting compared to those who don't. In one study, the remission rate in the fasting group was nearly 50%, a staggering figure that highlights the potential of this natural intervention. Now, this revelation should be a beacon of hope for millions, guiding them towards a path of wellness that alleviates their conventional dependency on pharmaceutical interventions. As we explore further, remember that these dietary interventions aren't just about managing diabetes, they are about reversing it. They provide a pathway to a healthier life without lifelong dependency on medications. Remember though that I'm not saying you can do this alone. Medical supervision is mandatory to ensure that your plan is not only effective but also safe, taking into account other medical conditions and the specifics of your diabetes. Now, as we dive into the broader implications of these studies, it's important to discuss the role of natural supplements in supporting these dietary strategies. Harnessing the power of natural supplements can amplify the benefits of dietary intervention in managing and potentially even reversing type 2 diabetes. Supplements like cinnamon, alpha-lipoic acid, and berberine, and others have been studied for their potential to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood glucose levels naturally. Cinnamon, a common spice found in many kitchens, has been shown to have a potent effect on blood sugar control. Several studies suggest that cinnamon can lower fasting blood glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This is because the active components in cinnamon can mimic insulin, thus helping glucose get into your cells more effectively. For those looking into practical applications, incorporating a teaspoon of cinnamon into your daily diet, perhaps sprinkled over a morning oatmeal or mixed into a smoothie, can be an easy and delicious way to harness its benefits. There is also alpha-lipoic acid, which is another powerful supplement and is a naturally occurring fatty acid that acts as a powerful antioxidant in the body. It's particularly beneficial for people with diabetes because it helps improve insulin resistance and reduce the symptoms of diabetic neuropathy, which is nerve damage resulting from high blood glucose levels. This compound can be taken in a capsule form with doses ranging from 600 to 1,800 milligrams per day that are shown to be very effective in clinical studies. Now, there's also berberine, which is perhaps one of the most effective supplements for diabetes. It works by stimulating the uptake of glucose into the cells, reducing the production of sugar in the liver and decreasing insulin resistance. It's as effective for some as pharmaceutical drugs. It's lowering blood glucose levels and blood sugar levels in a complete natural way. Therefore, integrating berberine into your diet can not only aid in managing blood sugar levels, but also improve your heart health. The typical dosage here is 500 milligrams, 3 times a day, taken before meals. The interplay between diet, fasting, and these supplements creates a synergistic effect that significantly enhances quality of life and reverses the progression of diabetes. For instance, when combined with a ketogenic diet, these supplements can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce episodes of hyperglycemia, and minimize the need for insulin and other diabetic medications. Today, we traversed the landscape of intermittent fasting. We explored the historical effects of dietary wisdom and delved into the potent allies found in natural supplements like cinnamon, alpha-lipoic acid, and berberine. Remember that this journey isn't just about managing diabetes, it's about reversing it and reclaiming control over your health and your life. If you found this video enlightening and helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Your like can help save lives by spreading the word and providing people you care about with the tools to transform their lives too. Thank you very much for watching. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts and your own experiences with these methods. Stay motivated and I'll see you in the next video. And also, if you're interested in continuing to improve your health, check out my already released video on how to clean up your arteries and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's packed with information on foods, habits, and supplements that can radically alter your cardiovascular health. Click on the video on the screen right now to watch and learn how to keep your heart pumping strong, and let's keep the momentum going. Your heart will thank you, all right? I see you later, and bye-bye.